Now listen. What is the relationship between internal security and law and order? Internal security and law and order. Anyone? Anyone? What is a relationship between internal security and law and order? Can I say that whenever there is an internal security challenges, it will escalate law and order problems. Yes or no? Whenever there is an internal security challenges, they escalate law and order problems. Whatever it is. Like for example, thefting the money from your cyber security. Okay, creating communal violence. This can create law and order problem, internal security problem as well as law and order problem. Now tell me, is all law and order problems escalate into internal security? Is all law and order problems escalate into internal security? No, it is not necessary. Yes or no? But all internal security will relate to the law and order problems. But not all law and order problems will escalate into internal security. Very few will escalate into internal security challenges. Okay, like for example, Naxalism, Northeast insurgency. There are very few. But some of the law and order problems will not escalate into internal security challenges. That is a relationship between internal security and law and order. So every internal security challenges or every internal security problem will escalate into law and order.